Suleiman from Worknsolution company based in Rawalpindi. Today, my topic is which marketplace is good for being a seller. Okay, so I choose two different markets for you guys. The first one is United States of America, USA, and the second one is United Kingdom, UK. So, being a work in a United States, the first beneficial what we are getting is volume is maximum, while in United Kingdom volume is minimum. What that basically meant, like population level in the United Kingdom is less than USA. Okay, so uh, market big, more profit chances. Obviously, when you got a big market, you got a better and more chances to get more profit. While in United Kingdom market not big, less chances to lift up. Third thing is value added tax. Um, in United Kingdom, obviously, you have to pay value added tax on your product. Okay, while in United States of America, you don't have to pay any value added tax. That's a big benefit. In USA, Amazon responsibility to collect and submit a tax to government on seller behalf. I'm giving you example right now. For example, you are selling a product with a price of $15. So it is Amazon responsibility to add tax and pay to government and file your return on behalf of you. That's a very big benefit you'll be getting if you want to work, if you want to be a seller in United States. So you can easily get your profit what you actually calculated. While in United Kingdom, let's suppose if you're selling a product with a price of £15 and you are expecting profit £10, but for sure that is not out of 15 pounds you pay to pay tax, which is very different products. What that basically meant by, like, you were expecting a profit of $10 or $12 or whatever. Okay, that's not an actual profit you'll be getting. You have to pay taxes, which is very fraud for different products. So my advice for newcomers, for new sellers, or for everyone is USA